What feels particularly exciting about a project like this is the size of it, the connectedness between a range of really fantastic habitats, and just that opportunity for wildlife to have a much larger space to interact and thrive.
The project is 2,000 acres of ecological restoration along the Nar Valley River. It's a project to join a series of SSSIs and water meadows and woodlands and all the best bits of the farm.
The ambitions of the project are to create this mosaic of habitat. So what we want to create here is basically an open habitat. So we have some scrub, we have mature trees, but also this is our seed source and our source of wildlife to get out onto the ex-arable land and onto the pasture land and begin to widen the biodiversity value of the whole estate.
The land that's being put into the rewilding project has got a history of arable cultivation. What my team does is come up with a plant list for what would be locally appropriate and what already occurs in this neighbourhood that should really enable a wider diversity of fauna to colonise the rewilding site more quickly.
Alec is very, very passionate about this area, about the woodlands, about biodiversity, and about doing the right thing and looking to change the way that we farm and the way that we manage our landscape for biodiversity, which can only be of a benefit for wildlife and for ourselves.